Hello, this is a quick tutorial on how to create a meeting in Zoom. Navigate to zoom.us, sign in to your account, sign in with Google. Before you schedule a meeting, which you can do here, if this is your first time in Zoom, then please navigate to your settings. The settings in Zoom now are set to default to enable the best and security for the application. However, there are a few other things that I would advise you do. Audio type, put it onto computer audio. These will all be on default, the passwords. I would suggest that you have participants muted upon entry as a default setting. And I would also keep the chat off. This says allow meeting participants to send a message visible to all participants. I would have that off. Also have the one-to-one private chat off. Screen sharing. Allow host and participants to share their screen or content during meetings. Who can share? Host only. And this setting here, allow participants to rename themselves. I would turn that off. Waiting room will be automatically defaulted as on. That is extremely important. The most important feature in Zoom, to have that waiting room enabled. Once you are satisfied with your default settings, you can go back to meetings. To schedule a meeting, it is simply as click the schedule a meeting button. Any meetings you already have set will be sitting in this spot right here. So I'm going to click schedule a new meeting. You want to give it a title, so you should probably name it with your class, maybe the day, put a description, set the date and time. Zoom currently still for a free account is defaulted to 40 minutes. That may change. Make sure your time zone is set correctly. Your password will be defaulted. The waiting room is defaulted. Muting participants on entry is defaulted. Also, you need to click the meeting option, record the meeting automatically on the local computer. That is a required option so that you can archive your meeting at the end. Once you've set this, click on the save. You'll appear at this page. If you wanted to, you could start the meeting right that moment by clicking right here. You can add to Google Calendar if you like, or any other calendar you have. The important part here is you can double check your settings, but you need to share this invitation right here with your participants. So you can click here, copy the invitation. This box opens up and you can copy meeting invitation. You can then paste this into whatever tool you're going to share this meeting to your participants or your students. So you can paste it into a Seesaw stream, you can paste it into a Google Classroom stream, or you can send it via email. And once the participant has this, they will simply click on this link at the right time, enter the password, and you will admit them to the meeting through the waiting room. Happy Zooming!